really excited to be here at the Maic Leap Hackathon here in San Francisco. I'm honored that I got to be a part of this awesome opportunity to develop and design for the Maic Leap. And I'm excited about the project. We're doing a children's storybook that's holographically projected onto a book. That project idea came from the Creating Realities Hackathon, a project I worked on called Memories, where we did a photo album where we simulated AR experience in VR.
Susan, I saw that she posted on one of the Facebook pages for the Creating Reality Hackathon page that was earlier this year in LA. So I looked at flights and saw that it was reasonable enough to fly. I like the spirit of the project. It's exploring space and imagining that whole experience in the world.
This is a great opportunity because the project is about kids.
I signed up for the hackathon early on, and Susan, I guess, had seen my listing in there, gave me a call and asked if I wanted to join. I'm really excited. Storytelling is an incredibly powerful tool that people can use to engage others in some remarkable adventures. We've done that in an interesting way.